Hello everyone! Today I am sharing top 5 summer skincare tips for healthy glowing skin. Tips number 1. Pick the right sunscreen for your skin. This sunscreen has SPF 50+, lightweight, non-sticky, perfect for summer. Tips number 2. Apply a lightweight moisturizer. Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Tips number 3. Use a hydrating mist like rose water. Tips number 4. Rub ice daily on your face. Tips number 5. Make a paste in a bowl by combining 2 spoons of Multani Mati 1 spoon activated charcoal, half spoons honey and a few drops of rose water. Apply it now to your face and neck. Then wash it once it has dried. Apply it once or twice a week for better results. Bye-bye.
दूर होते आमी तारे